Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Podcast.
We're so happy you're joining us today.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake.
Jake, can I ask you something?
Of course, although every time you say that, I get a little nervous.
Don't worry, it's an easy question. What's the first thing you think about when you're hungry?
That's easy. Food.
Very specific.
A big burger, crispy fries, and a cold drink.
Wow, you're making me hungry already.
Well, maybe that's a good thing, because today's topic is all about food.
More specifically, we're talking about restaurants.
And how to confidently speak English when you visit one.
This is a situation many English learners worry about. What should I say? What if I don't understand? What if I make a mistake?
The good news is that restaurant conversations are usually very predictable. People ask similar questions every day, and once you learn a few simple phrases, everything becomes much easier.
Let's imagine something. You're visiting an English-speaking country, you're hungry, and you walk into a restaurant.
Okay, I'm already hungry in this imaginary situation.
That's because you're always hungry.
Fair point.
So you walk through the door. What's the first thing you say?
Probably hello.
Exactly. Never underestimate the power of a simple hello.
Then someone greets you, usually a host or a waiter.
And if you need a table, you can say, "A table for two, please."
That's easy. A table for one, please. A table for two, please. A table for three, please.
Just change the number depending on how many people are with you.
Then the host will probably say something like, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please."
And they take you to your table.
Which is great because now we're one step closer to food.
That's still your main priority, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Before the food arrives, though, there's something important you need.
The menu.
Exactly. If the waiter doesn't bring one immediately, you can politely ask, "Can I have the menu, please?"
That's a fantastic phrase to remember. Can I have the menu, please?
Notice the word please. It makes everything sound friendlier and more polite.
Honestly, if you remember only 2 words today, please and thank you.
That's excellent advice. So now you have the menu. You open it, you suddenly see lots of different sections.
Usually you'll see starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
A starter is the small dish you eat before your main meal. Maybe soup, maybe a salad.
Then comes the main course, the biggest part of the meal. Pasta, chicken, fish, or my favorite, burger.
We knew that was coming. After the main course comes dessert, something sweet. Cake, ice cream, chocolate brownie.
Suddenly this lesson is becoming dangerous. Now I want dessert too.
And finally, drinks. Water, juice, tea, coffee.
So you're looking at the menu, you're deciding what you want, and then the waiter comes back and asks a very common question.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. Or, yes, please.
And if you need more time, you can say, "Just a minute, please."
That's such a useful phrase, because sometimes choosing food is serious business.
Especially for you.
Especially for me.
Let's imagine you're ready. What's the most polite way to order?
Instead of saying, "I want a burger," try saying, "I would like the burger, please."
That sounds much more natural, much more polite.
Another very common phrase is, "I'll have the burger, please."
Let's practice. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the burger, please.
Wonderful. And would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a soda, please.
See how simple that is? A few short phrases can help you handle almost the entire ordering process.
And once you've placed your order, all that's left is the best part, waiting for the food to arrive.
You know, what's interesting? Once you've ordered your food, many learners feel relieved. The hardest part is over.
That's true. You've found a table, you've read the menu, you've ordered successfully. Now you can relax.
And think about the food.
Mostly the food.
While you're waiting, it's a great time to practice small talk. If you're with friends, you can talk about your day. You can talk about your plans. Or simply enjoy the conversation.
Then comes the moment we've been waiting for. The food arrives.
Here is your soup and your burger. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. That's probably one of the easiest responses in English. Just say thank you and smile.
A few minutes later, the waiter might come back to check on you. This is very common in restaurants.
Is everything okay?
If you're enjoying the food, you can say, "Yes, everything is great, thank you." Or, "It's delicious."
That's an excellent word. Delicious.
It means the food tastes very, very good.
Let's practice. How was your burger today?
It's delicious.
How is your pizza?
It's delicious.
I think we like that word.
We definitely do. Sometimes you may need something during the meal. Maybe more water, maybe more bread, maybe another drink.
In that situation, start with a very useful phrase. Excuse me.
Excuse me helps you politely get someone's attention.
Then you can say, can I have some more water, please?
Can I have some more bread, please? Can I have another soda, please?
Notice how often we're using the same sentence patterns. That's one of the secrets of English conversation. You don't need hundreds of phrases. You only need a few useful ones.
Eventually, you've finished your meal, you're happy, you're full, and maybe you're thinking about dessert.
Especially dessert.
The waiter might ask, "Would you like to see the dessert menu?"
And if the answer is yes, you can simply say, yes, please.
Then you look at the menu and choose something sweet. Maybe cake, maybe ice cream, maybe chocolate brownie.
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
I knew you would choose that.
After dessert, the meal is almost finished. There's just one final step.
Paying the bill.
To ask for the bill, simply say, can I have the bill, please?
In American English, many people also say, "Can I have the check, please?"
Both are correct. Both are widely understood.
If you're paying with a card and you're not sure whether cards are accepted, you can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
That's a very useful question.
Then you pay and the waiter returns your card or receipt.
And before leaving, don't forget two simple phrases. Thank you, goodbye.
Simple, polite, natural.
Let's do a quick role play from beginning to end. Hello, welcome.
Hello, a table for one, please.
Certainly, this way, please.
Thank you.
Here is your menu.
Thank you. I'm ready to order.
What would you like?
I would like the chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Here is your meal. Enjoy your food.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious.
Wonderful.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day. See? That's an entire restaurant conversation using simple English.
Before we finish, let's practice speaking together. Answer these questions out loud. What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
What do you usually drink with your meal?
Do you prefer pizza, pasta, burgers, or something else?
And what dessert do you like most?
Speaking out loud is one of the fastest ways to improve your confidence.
Let's quickly review today's useful phrases. A table for two, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
I would like.
I'll have.
Is everything okay?
It's delicious.
Excuse me.
Can I have the bill, please?
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Remember, restaurant English doesn't have to be complicated. Keep your sentences short, be polite, speak clearly.
And don't worry about making mistakes. Most people are happy to help.
The goal isn't perfect English. The goal is communication.
And every conversation helps you become a little more confident.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
Keep practicing,
Keep learning,
keep speaking.
and we'll see you in the next episode of Speak English Podcast.